How to add the 11 laps audio on your CapCut. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. First of all, go to your preferred browser. On the top search bar you need to search for 11 apps and you need to tap on this very website right here. Now you need to get started for free here, and to try for free you need to write something here that it will create and convert it to audio. So just tap on get started for free. So after you do that, now you can simply add your email and password right here, and after you do that you can simply text to speech here, and you can simply install the very audio that you get from the 11 labs to your device. So after you install it, go to the CapCut. After going to the very CapCut option, what you can do is you can simply add that video on this, and for the sound you can just tap on the sound selection option. So instead of this, just tap on the sound option. Now what you need to do is you need to go on your file option or the saved option, and on the file option you can simply extract from the video as well or from the device also. So you can just search for the 11 labs that you have already installed on your device, and after installing it just tap on the plus section. By doing so it will be added on your video, and just like that it's added on your CapCut as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.